Welcome back to another episode. We're in Nick's garage right now and we're going to be working on his RB20. He was trying to sell it, then we decided actually he's going to rebuild it, so we're going to get it ready today. We're going to rip off all the hot and the cold side, take off the torque converter and the flex plate and put it up on a stand so we can start tearing it down and get it ready to go to the machine shop. And yeah, we're just going to show you what we do when we pull it all apart and just bring you along for the ride, I guess, see what happens and see what it goes in. Yeah boy, so she's down over there at the moment, so we're going to pull her out and then start taking some shit off it. Just pulling off this Cuzzy exhaust setup, but if you want to buy it, it's not real Cuzzy, it's all good. No, so we're taking off this scale / Chinese turbo setup thing that's going on here with the gate down the bottom, top mount T3, T4 turbo, that's what people call them, isn't it? But yeah, so we're going to flick this off because Nick wants to run something a bit better, maybe even just put a 25 Neo turbo on this 20. It'll be real responsive and make enough power anyway, so sell this setup, take off the cold side, then get the torque converter off and we'll be good to put it on the stand. So we've got the hot side off now. Here it is here on the ground. Here's me, Nick's long block. Cheer. What do you reckon?
Bundy.
Bundy. Yeah, no, it's been done a bit hoary, which is why we're pulling it apart. But yeah, we'll see once we start getting into it what's actually going on with this motor. It ran alright, so yeah, we don't know, but yeah, we're going to pull it apart anyway and just check everything is good before we go and put it in a car and find out that it's actually shit and then have to do it all over again. So do it once, do it right kind of thing, but yeah, as cheap as possible. Because we don't want to spend heaps on an RB20, so
no, fuck no.
Just gonna try and get it reliable so it can hack around and go from there, I guess. So we're just gonna reposition ourselves here, because we're in a bit of a corner, as you can see. And we are gonna move this a little bit further out so we can take intake side off, and then we should be getting ready to do the torque converter and the flywheel or flex plate, whatever you want to call it, so we can get this on the stand, spun it around. Now we're going to take all these unnecessary hoses off and get down to these bolts here holding the intake on. I think you have to take these intakes off in two pieces, so might have to take this top piece off first, not 100% sure, but we'll let you know when we find out ourselves. But yeah, RB life. Should have got a fucking SR, I reckon. should be no oil in it. The first time that we made the video pulling the motor out, pretty sure we dropped the oil. So it's going to take this alternator. Nick's still working on the intake, and I got to go out soon, so I'm just going to leave the camera here with Nick. Hopefully he remembers to use it. If he doesn't, we'll just update you when I come back, because I'm going to try and get this pretty much bare tonight, just so you can assess everything. Don't know if we're going to pull the actual motor apart, but if we can get everything off, then that way we can kind of decide how Nick wants to attack it, whether he's going to take it to his work and take it to a machine shop and get it done properly, or if we're actually going to take it apart and measure it and see if we can do it here ourselves for you guys. So we'll try to get everything off so we can make that call as soon as possible, so Nick knows what his game plan is in terms of getting a car or building the motor or what the go is. So we'll keep cracking on. For the intake. Woo. Come on. Surely it's going to come off.
Let's have a looky.
Oh, it's moving. What about the back? Oh, guy, this could be it.
Flip the Johnny.
Huh?
This one. Cam cover now we pop off. Classic.
So you got half a cam cover anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, is this it?
Fuck it once, so.
Surely.
So it's stuck on.
Oh, down there.
Yeah.
One hose.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Where's the 10?
That'll be an 8.
There she is. On the ground.
Beautiful. What a mess.
What a long tall boy. This is a big ass motor. Ooh. Tasty. What's supposed to be in there? It feels like... Nah, there's nothing would have been in there. Fucking hell, that's bad.
There's just a few white
Yeah.
crispiness.
White tasty boys in there. Old ass hose. Didn't even come off, bro, he just ripped the end.
It's rust. Oh yeah.
Yum. So I got back from being out, and fucking Nick over here had a snooze. There's a snooze. Well, I don't know what a snooze is, but he had a snooze. And he's done nothing. It's the same as how I left it.
Hangover.
But hungover. No good. So, he's put all that stuff on Facebook so he can sell it. And now we're trying to get a little bit deeper into the top of this thing and have a look.
Oh, gross.
But yeah, she's definitely been owned by a few RFBs, so hopefully we can revive her and bring her back to her full potential. Which is what, Nick? What's her full potential?
A whole 5 horsepower.
A whole 5 horsepower. So yeah, that's the idea. So we're making a bit more progress. Nick stripped some stuff off now that I call him a fucking lazy. And we're just pulling out the aids plugs. That's what we're going to call them, because they're aids. Check the cam belt. Oh, it looks alright, maybe a little slack. But
Cams are good.
yeah, cams are alright. So maybe it's not so bad after all, this motor. It just looked it on the outside because they didn't use the same bolts everywhere and missing a few washers, and some things were loose and some things were tight. But you know, you get that sometimes with RBs. You get that sometimes with any car when people don't know what they're doing. But it's only one way to learn. So we'll keep pulling it apart and see what we get. Should I help him or should I just let him tip it over by himself? Which way are you going?
This way.
Okay.
Yeah, something loves it.
Oh, she's a heavy bitch.
Is that it? Good.
Yeah, just put the wood under there, guy. Or is it balancing by itself?
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, it's sure is. What are you stressing about? Oh, well, there you go. That was that. Easy as. Now you can get these fucking bolts out. Justin's over here.
Got more sunlight safety shoes.
Some on, safety boots on.
No.
You reckon you're going to use that half inch?
Oh, really?
That half inch on the 3/8 ratchet. That's a 14 as well.
So,
It's on the other side, you're going to have to flip the motor back.
that's alright, I'll just use this. Got a short one?
Have a look in the bag of goodies. Oh, yosa.
I do not like this. I like it. Dennis.
It's a pussycat. You're not going to be using this auto shit anyway, so just wang it off. Oh, baby.
That's a good gun. That a girl.
And just like that, no torque converter, no flex plate. Ready for a manual swap.
That a girl.
Rubbish.
Yep.
Fix a window apparently, so we're gonna... You coming out here to try this?
Yeah, you try it.
Yeah.
There's no fucking way.
Bro, straight up. This is it. This is the gears.
I couldn't even smack it with a spanner. You are a man. It's this one.
No, it's not.
What's this one?
It's the ceramic.
No, it's not. It's not this shit.
It's not. It's definitely the stuff around the outside of the spark plug. This shit. The ceramic shit. I'm telling you now.
If my spanner can't fucking crack this thing.
Get out of your spanner. Get away, get away, get away.
Oh, it cracked it.
Yeah, see, I told you. See, ceramic, mate. Did that, and then your spanner did that.
Fuck, you just got your finger.
No? I'm tough as fucking nails, guy. No, what does anybody want a windscreen for? Nah.
Not a mint for your drink?
No, I'm not.
Fresh herbal garden, mate.
Fresh herbal garden. Is it to hide some other shit?
Yeah, it's in the tinny shed.
Oh, mate.
Solid mint lid.
Perfect, mate.
Fuck me.
This thing's a fucking shitter.
That is fucked.
I think that's what's going to be all for today's video. Nick's had enough. It's over it. RB's a gay, SR the world. Nah, just kidding. So we've done about as much as we can with the tools that we've got on hand, so just going to park it over there in the corner, and then during the week, I don't know, for just sometime soon, Nick's going to pull the head off, cam belt off, and probably take it to his work and get it ready to go to the machine shop. And yeah, once he gets back from there, I guess there we all go. Hopefully this has started a fire under his ass so he actually gets the car.
Yeah.
Because it's no fun cruising by yourself. So he needs to get one. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know the standard. And we'll catch you in the next video.
Cheers, cousin.
Cheers, cousin.